Good morning, children. Are you ready for SA1 exam? Okay. The revision videos which we have done already, that I am going to send it as a playlist. You can view if at all you want to check through any problem. Now what we are going to discuss is the model paper for your examination. It is similar to the government question paper. There are 4 sections in part A, and part B you have one section which is choose the correct answer. To have a better idea, I have written the sections on the board. Let us see that. Okay, essay 1 model paper, it is for the paper is for 40 marks. The time is 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, for writing part A you have 2 hours 15 minutes given. 8:45 the question paper will be sent. Till 9 you can read the question paper, you can go through the question paper, and at 9 o'clock you should start writing the paper. Okay. From 9 to 11 you can complete this paper, and part B is for half an hour. So in part A you have 4 sections. Section 1 is 1 mark question. 7 questions will be given 1 mark, and you are going to get 7 marks for this. There is no choice. Every question you have to answer. Okay. Section 2, questions 8 to 13 you have to answer. Each question carries 2 marks. You have 6 questions in this section 2. All the questions should be answered. There is no choice. Then section 3. You have questions from 14 to 17. 4 marks questions, 4 will be given. You have to answer them, but for this you have internal choice. For 14th question, A, one question will be there, B, another question will be there. From A and B, you have to select one and write that answer. No need of writing both the answers. Select only one which you are good at and write that answer. 15th question also A or B. 16th, 17th also A or B you have to write. Understood? It is not the whole section is not for choice. That is answer any 4 is not the choice. It is internal choice. From 14th question A or B you should write. Don't write this like this. 14th question A, B answers, 15th question A, B answers is the wrong way of writing. 14th one select one bit, 15th one select one bit, 16th one select one, 17th one select one and answer. Understood? This is the end of part A. Then part B, you have 5 marks for this. 10 bit questions will be there. Choose the correct answers. 10 will be given. You have to read the questions. All 10 read the questions and write the correct answer in the bracket. But this is not the hard copy is not given to you. So in the answer sheet you are going to write only the answers. For example, first answer is A, second answer is B, third answer is C, fourth answer is D. Like that you have to write in the white papers, A4 size papers. Okay. So 8:45 question paper will come. Before that you should be ready with the margins. Draw the margins. Rough column you have to draw. A4 size paper. First take out A4 size paper. Draw the margins 4 sides. 2 lines here and 1 line above. Write tomorrow's date. This all you have to keep it ready for tomorrow's. Today only you draw and keep. 4-5 pages before only. Write your name, class and section, 7th and section. Then write your roll number. Roll number. Whatever is your roll number, write your roll number. Date, name, class, section, roll number. Write the heading. Essay to 40 marks. Essay to 40 marks. And then start writing. Write the heading part A, Roman number 1. Write the proper question numbers. and answer the questions. Once you finish part A, write the heading part B and then write question number 1, question number 2, like that 10 questions are there that you have to write. For every paper you have to draw the margin and draw the rough column, write the name, class, section on each and every page. You have to do this and then answer all the questions which are given in the question paper. Don't leave anything. Only in part A, section 4, internal choice is there. You have to answer only 4 out of 8. Okay. Okay children, so get ready for your exam. Keep your answer sheet, draw the borders, write the heading and keep it ready. And remember that the exam starts at 8:45. Okay, part B, when you write, don't overwrite. No scratching should be there in the answer option. Write neatly, clearly and legibly. Okay, everything should be understood clearly. No overwriting, cutting should be there in your paper. Okay, if you go wrong, strike it off and start again fresh. Okay, write neatly. All the best. And let me tell you, the patterns and the methods or the questions will be same. Okay, the pattern of the questions will be same, but the names, numbers and things like that will be changed in your question paper. Understood? Let me tell you once again, the questions or the way you solve the problem is same, but the names, numbers are changed and they are given in the question paper. So if you understand the concept, if you understand the method, it is very easy for you to solve the paper. Okay, all the best children. Try to attempt all the questions, complete everything. And coming next is the playlist is being sent. So look at the playlist. If at all you want to check something from the revision classes, you can go through them. Okay, all the best. Thank you.